a very nice session from where we could gain more knowledge and insight about youth leadership. And we are also interested in registering for the AYUDH memberships.
The correct decision of mine to spend my entire day over here. It was a very insightful experience to know more about the gender issues and gender inequality in our country. So I am hoping for more sessions like this in future. Thank you.
It was a great experience at the C20 convention, a workshop on gender equality. Overall, it was a very good experience.